Trying.
Hey guys, LA Doc here from Angry Records. I picked up a rail here, and the problem with the rail is when I picked it up is it had a 8-scale brushless motor with a 10-scale ESC. Not good. So what I did is I went out and picked out a monster, Mamba Monster, and put it in there and got it all back together. And what I'm going to do is we're going to give her a quick little try out. And then my boy here is we made some adjustments on the transmission on this thing, and we're going to try it out. So first thing is first, let's fire the rail up. Now guys, I want you to understand something. When I make things and I design things, I design things to go fast. I don't design them just to, pop around and just have a little grandma and grandma day out on a Sunday drive. I like things to have a lot of power and go fast, so we are going to try and see how the rail's going to do today. Alright. Come on out here, Chunky.
Hey, don't shoot rocks at me either.
Not bad. The only thing of it is, when I got this rail, the rail came with SC8 8-scale tires on it. It's more or less for the street. We can shoot it on the street here in a minute, see what it's going to do. I got some buggy tires with it, but as you can see, we're not running too good on light, and I'm not going to go through all that shit and stuff out, but it's got an awful lot of power, and see what she does on the left side. Spinning donuts on the concrete, that's what I like. This thing is completely off the hook. I give it a 2 thumbs up on the rail. Gives you a good set of paddle tires on it. Some good buggy wheels on it. This thing is extremely durable. Extremely powerful. Now I've got a Taken 24 or 2200 kV motor on it. I've got a Castle. It's a little bit bigger, and I'm thinking about maybe going with that. But I mean, as you got to understand something too, being at the smaller diameter of the tires, the more power you're gonna pick up, and more hole shot, but the less speed you're gonna get up. I put a set of 8 scale on, or the tires that came with it. She'd be doing what she's supposed to be doing. Alright, let's go get the T-Max pliers.